Yeah, supercharged it.
We're here looking for some random waterfalls. Maybe they exist, maybe don't. Up in Springbrook, that's all I can work out right now. They've blindfolded me and taken me here, so yeah. We've just entered a gully and we're going to follow this until we hit a waterfall. So that's the gully up there. A few stragglers. This is the first decent cascade we've got here. There's a lot of water flowing, and last night we had some decent rain, so this goes down the creek here. We've just hit another cascade. Bit choked up by logs. Just hit another cascade. This one isn't a complete drop off, just a steep one with a lot of rocks choking it up, flowing down, coming down here and this way. It's getting wider here. We're here almost. Well, it's just a little island here. We missed that little cascade, and just over there is the waterfall. Here it is again, just before the last spillover, and Nathan doing a spillover of his own, and me slipping. It's quite slippery today, really slippery. This is the type of forest, a lot of Antarctic beach, and on this side eucalyptus. Hey! This is it. That's Numbinbar Valley down there. The waterfall. That's all I'm prepared to do. There's another shoot off the side there. we're going to our second waterfall. We've... What? Is this the tree that you're talking about?
Yeah. What is it, Paul?
Don't know. It could be a gum or a red cedar. I don't know. It's a eucalyptus. I can see it now. Yeah, there's some big eucalyptus here. This is a type of forest that we're in. Impenetrable, and just going up this spur. Yeah. I just got to the second creek just now. I don't even know if it's got a name, but here it is. Maybe Nathan can swim here. But yeah, there's quite a bit of water flowing. There's a big drop off point there, so I've got to work our way down to that. Yeah, I'm just below the first level, just above us. It's pretty steep up here to get down, but not scary steep, so yeah, very nice. And there's another level just below us, so I'll see you below that level. Here we go again, that's the third pier, and you could probably see up there the second pier, but wait, there's still more. I think just there, there's another pier. It's quite steep here. We're at the bottom of that waterfall. We couldn't get anywhere close to it before, so I'm tracking back upwards to try and catch it. There's about 3 tiers in this anyway. This is the second, maybe the middle level. Got a funnel here. This is pretty cool. I'm near what seemed to be a massive fall. It's only a shitty little cascade. This is the pre-cascade, and then the post-cascade. I don't know if there's something about it. I find it hard to believe this was what we were so awed about, that this will be a crazy drop. So, what it looks like is up there. This is about a 10-metre fall, followed by something like 5-metre pier up there. I'm not sending up my drone, so that's it for this waterfall. Yeah, let's scout this out. There could be a way down just to the right. Maybe just need a rope. It's really steep on the sides, but it's quite a stiff V. There's so many cascades here. We just dare not go too close, so that we have to climb out higher. We've got a big drop just there compared to these ones here, so they're yeah, it's a little bit bigger than the previous ones. There's so many of these cascades on this creek. There's one just above this, but we can't see it. I don't want to go up, and it goes down another level here. This is it. We're there. There are so many decent sized cascades in this creek, but you don't dare to go in there today because it's so slippery. So you're going to get more movement sticking out on the banks. This is the spillover point, and here we are. This is like a little magic garden. Look at it here. This is probably my last. We hit a big rock shelf and
No.
we've got to get around this.
Good, but we're not.
There is supposedly a point, and I'd say it's going left over there. We're still trying to find a way up over these cliffs here. And we found this.
Look, it's just there now.
And then that other part just ahead of us is spraying off the cliffs. So we've just got to push ahead. There's rain. We've been following this cliff for a while.
Yeah, it's going to be a
We've
lot of arms.
finally found a possible way out of here.
I think it's possible.
Up through this
Yeah, up here.
cascade off at
Look,
Springbrook.
it's a bit tricky, but...
And here we are. Yasin's showing the way. It's the last of it.
Passou por quê? Sim? Pode ir? Pode ir? Yeah. Cuidado com essa sorte.